Hi everyone, I hope you're doing really great and welcome back to my Tech Stack Learning channel. In today's video, we are deep diving into one of the most essential aspects of backend development, that is handling HTTPS request body data in Node.js. Okay, so before we start, if you like my channel, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific topic you want me to explore, please provide the details into my comment box. I can surely get you some uh, topic around that. Okay, so let's get started. So whether you're building a REST APIs or handling user inputs, right, having this skill is very much important. So in today's session, we will be covering how do you parse all these request body, what are the different types of contents you can handle, what are the security best practices you will be taking care. Okay, so I'll try to put this maybe in one session or maybe in the like splitted multiple sessions so that you guys can watch accordingly. Okay, so let's first understand what is HTTP request body, right? So request body is the data sent by the client to the server, right? In a HTTP request, it's typically used in the methods like post, put, patch, wherever you want to update something into the backend or to the database, right? That is where this request body comes into picture. So here the content types could be a different types like we will have different types of content right here. So headers, basically application JSON, it could be a JSON data, it could be a form data, it could be a multi-part form data, or it could be a plain text. Okay, these are the different types of content or the data which comes as part of the HTTP request body. Okay, so let's try to create one folder for us. HTTP request body process. Okay, so here I'm going to create server.js. Okay, so first thing what we will try to do is parsing request body in nodejs. Okay, so basically nodejs doesn't pass request body by default, right? You can handle it either using like a manual parsing like native nodejs parsing, or it could be using any middleware libraries like body parser or express.json. Okay, first we will dive into how you can use the native nodejs approach, right? This involves handling raw data streams. So native handling. Okay, so here what we will do here is first let me import the required modules for us to process it. Okay, HTTP, then I'll do is I'll create a server. Okay, so here I'll do HTTP dot create server of request dot response. Then we will have if. This is the traditional way of handling the request body. Okay, so request dot method equal to post, right? So what we will do, we will define a body to start with, empty. Then what we will do is listen for data chunks. So here what we will do, request dot on of data. This is an event. Okay, chunk, this is what the data which comes in, and we have body plus equal to, we are just appending all the data what we get, right, into the uh, chunk. Okay, so basically one second. Okay, basically what we're trying to do is convert buffer to string. Okay, this is how it will be buffering, right? So that has to be converted to string. Next, this is for handling end of data stream. So here what we will have is we will have an event called end. Okay, so here what happens is we will get those event, and we will, once this is ended, what is that we are going to, one sec, once that's ended, right, what we are going to do it. Okay, so basically what we will do, const parsed data equal to json dot parse of body. Okay, so basically we are doing a parsing, parse json. Okay, then what we will do here is we will put console dot log of received data, they pass data. Okay, then we will do response dot write head of 200 comma content content type. Here we are just planning to have the JSON. Okay, so application dot slash JSON is my content type. Okay, so oh, I'm sorry, there is some mistake here. I was writing this in the wrong place. Sorry, guys. Once we have the data, right, we are just going to write it. Once it is completed, uh, just a second, guys. Okay, so we have this. Okay, one sec, this is on end, so let me see, there is some error I'm trying to figure out. Okay, I need to put a catch. So if any error, we will just of error. Okay, so this is about the request on once the request data started, once it is ended, it will have all these details. Okay, now what we will do is when the response ends, right, so we will have we'll have response dot end of json dot stringify of message colon, we will put data received successfully. Okay, data received successfully. Okay, okay, so once we have this I'm sorry, there are some mistakes I'm doing, one sec. So response dot write head, response dot end, we will be putting this. Okay, now we will have to put catch error response write head of 400 of, then we will put content type colon application JSON. Then we input same way. I'll just copy paste this, guys. Response.end JSON stringify error. I'll put error invalid JSON. Okay. So here we have handled the request method post, correct? So now what we have to do is we have to handle the else, that is any other request comes, right? So we one sec. So if any other request comes, how it is going to behave, correct? So let me copy paste the same error, sorry, same content. Okay. So I'll just put applicate content type for 404, which is not found, right? 404, and then I'll be ending with that route not found error. Okay. Okay, so this is the how you handle the create server and manually handling the data. Like you have a post method. Once the data is in, you will be listening to those chunks, and once that data list request has been completed, it goes to this dot end event, end event, and inside that you will be handling the response. Like you'll get the data, you will be running it and catch an error and display it. If any other routes apart from the post, you just give this route not found thing. Okay. So now we saw how we can handle it natively, right? So next let's try to let's try to try using the using Express.js. Okay. So here basically this Express framework allows you uh, to simplify the body parsing through a built-in middleware. Okay, you don't have to handle these kind of details in manually. Okay, so first what I'll do is const express equal to require of express. I'll be uh, using, then const app equal to express. Then what we will do is I'll just do middleware to parse the JSON bodies. Okay, so here what I'll do, app dot use of express dot JSON. Okay, then I'll see handle post request. Okay, so app dot post of, then data, then we will have request dot response, then we will have console dot log of received data. Just a second, received data, then it will be request dot body. See, it's very simple here. And response dot JSON of, we will have message colon data received successfully. And then you can print data colon request, just a second, colon, then we will have a request dot body. Okay, so this is how you can, as simple as it is It has reduced a lot of code, right? A lot of code. Very simple it is. And then you can put app dot listen of 3000. Then you can console dot log of server running. Okay, so this is a very simple, very different, very easy, and with less code, it's able to handle the JSON bodies. Okay, using Express.json, it is able to handle the things very easily. Okay, I'm not going to execute this code. You guys can execute, run this code, play around with different things, and try it out. Okay. So that's the end of our session where we have covered how to parse the HTTP request body with native way, traditional way of handling it, and how to use the libraries like Express.js, middlewares to handle the request body and parse it. Okay. So if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you need any specific topic, please go ahead and comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.